Yeah, I just went for a walk around the block. I'll be home in a second. I gotta go. Open house. I gotta go. Oh, another open house on. Where's this open house? Oh, man. Are you Josh?
Yeah, why?
Oh, I just ran everywhere looking for you. Did I make the open house?
Yeah, open house is still going on. Come take a look.
Oh, thank God. Man. Welcome to 8 Victor Ave in Selden. This split-level home features 4 floors of living space. As soon as you enter, you walk directly into your family room and first floor powder room. As you can see, we have gorgeous hardwood floors on the main level and upstairs hallway. Our second floor features a bright and airy living room, dining room, and kitchen. Central AC, in-ground sprinklers, gas heating, gas cooking, whole house dehumidifier just scratch the surface of what this home has to offer. Both bathrooms have been redone just 2 years ago. Our basement level is clean as can be and ready for anybody who wants to finish it into the ultimate man cave. Make your way to the 4th floor where you have 2 bedrooms plus your primary bedroom with his and hers closets and your main floor bathroom. Oh yeah, don't forget those super low taxes under $9,000. Like what you see? Reach out for a private tour or stop by our open house this weekend.